Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for Shein affiliate program. So first step you need to do is to open Chrome browser, and in the bottom there you can see that there is no option on the Shein website to join the affiliate program. So you simply need to open the website, that is CG affiliate, and create your account here. And once you created account here, you can see option of partners. Then you need to click on find advertiser. First complete your profile. I'm not going to complete profile here to waste your time, so I'm going to show you the direct process what you need to do. So you complete the profile, and here you need to search for the Shein and wait for few seconds. So once you search that, here you can see multiples, and let me search Shein here again. Click on search, and now you can see that this is the Shein, and then you need to go and click on apply to program. And here you need to must read all the conditions, and once you think that you are up to the conditions of the Shein affiliate program, you need to apply and you get approved. So this is the process how you can sign up for Shein affiliate program. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.